So I have these two benches that sit by the fire pit outside, and the biggest problem is that there's no back. I thought it'd be bearable, but it's not. So I'm going to take apart one and use the pieces to make a back for the other. Let's do it. A little bit of staining off camera and this project is done. I know it looks a little wobbly in there. It's just kind of the way it's sitting on the ground. Back here, it's perfectly flat, no rocking at all. This bench turned out great. I'm very happy with the results and just in time for summer. I highly recommend doing this modification for any benches you may have. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to comment down below what you'd like to see me make next. Like this video as well, and as always, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.